car, bro.
Welcome back to Back in Business. We're at another car show with the guys. You know, that's
The guys.
The
That's
guys
a
and the
You know what I'm
gals.
saying?
That's a.
It's bigger than yours. Like
This
this is a car
This
meet.
is back in business.
Yeah, that's what I'm used to like seeing on the internet. This
Loud and
is
slow.
Loud and slow, bro.
yeah, that's what I'm used to
Yeah,
like a car
so
meet, like
we're at
real
another car meet.
cars.
This one kind of calm. This one in the
one's
hood.
giving, like
I mean, they definitely did say on the flyer,
No.
yeah, no nothing, basically, just park and vibe.
Yeah, so
parking vibe.
y'all just gonna vibe with me on God.
Vibe. We love to vibe.
At first thing first, y'all gotta see the fit. You feel me? Hopefully y'all can see it enough. First thing first, y'all gotta see the fit. Oh, it's leaning. Got this on. I can't see it enough. Hold on. This way. Yeah. It's a calm fit today. Calm fit today. Really calm. Hopefully you saw it all. I don't feel like setting it back up, but it's really just gonna be like a montage of all the cars because it's not really like, it's just a calm meet. There's no burnouts, no pops and all that. So I'm just gonna show y'all the cars, do a little music montage, things of that nature. So yeah, if there's funny moments, appreciate you. If it's funny moments, I'll put them in, but yeah.
That's how y'all feel? If it ain't white, it ain't right? Yo. How you feel about that message?
Just a pose.
How you feel about that message?
Drop your bag or drop your body, drop your bag or drop your body.